A very good morning to one and all. I am Sabah Khatri, and I welcome each one of you today present out here on behalf of Henkel India Limited for the grand finale contest of Farm and Extreme. Farm and Extreme was launched earlier this year, and the fragrance is so strong that we've actually got Bipasha Basu here. Farm and Extreme gave a chance for the ones who dream and who believe in their dreams. All the men out there who've always dreamt of meeting the dream girl, they got a chance to actually meet her. Whoa, she is so beautiful, so ravishing, so stunning, and the chance to actually live your dream. Ladies and gentlemen, she's right here with us. Let us not waste much of our time. The most sensational, the most gorgeous. Here we have Bipasha Basu. Right here with us. Hi, you look so beautiful. Welcome you. Hi, Shashank. How are you feeling?
I'm very happy that I am here with to meet Vipasha and Fa and Henkel has provided this opportunity to meet Vipasha. It is a lifetime opportunity.
Absolutely, no wonder. Now, this contest is you have to share whatever you feel about her. You've seen her on television, you've seen her on the big screen. First time she's in front of you. So please share what you feel about her.
Obviously, everyone knows that she act very well. So I would only express some lines to you like हजारों पे नजर but
Go on, Shashank.
हजारों पे नजर
I can imagine. She's so sensational. He's speechless. No wonder, no wonder.
Go
That's-
on.
that's so
You're
sweet.
very sweet. Please go on.
but
Just say what you feel. Your dream come true.
ओके बट लाखों में हो आप एक वो हो आप विपाशा
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was a very speechless expression. You could see it in his eyes.
I think
How
that
much?
was, I have to say that coming on stage and talking and, holding court in front of so many people, it takes a lot of courage and guts.
Yes.
And, I had the same butterflies when I first had to be on stage, first time. So don't worry, just speak your heart, the next few people. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, next I'd like to call upon from Mumbai, Vishwam.
Nice jumper.
Thanks.
Okay, so amongst thousands of lucky winners, you are one of them, shortlisted.
Can I have the rose from there?
Oh, all yours.
If you don't mind that.
Yeah.
I think it's artificial. You deserve a real one. So should I?
Yes.
Millions of people see me as I kneel down in front of you and I give you a rose which I don't have in my hand right
You
now.
have one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But my heart really stands up when I think of this moment with you. Really, truly.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
Shweta.
you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Vishal.
thank you. Okay, so when they're right here in front of her. Next, I'd like to call upon, all the way from Gujarat, we have Paras. Paras, please come up on stage. Okay, I'd like to ask you a question. Did you even imagine that you'll get a chance to be in front of her, so close, and to meet her?
No, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great that I'm going to share feelings in front of Vipasha.
All right, so all thanks to Fa.
Yes. All
And
thanks to her.
now you can proceed and share whatever you feel. Dil se bindas bol dalo.
आपने क्या सोचा था कि मैं ये रेस हार जाऊंगा जो जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना पड़ता है और हार कर जो जीतता है उसे एक्स मैन कहते हैं
Oh,
And here I am.
so that's what we have an extreme
Nice one,
men.
Paras. Good one.
Thank you. That was wonderful. An extreme man who's tried his luck, but there'll be only one lucky boy and the lucky winner. Okay, next we have two more contestants. May I please call upon Nawaz from Varanasi.
Hi, Nawaz.
I'm sure you've come all the way from there, and today you're right here in front of her. How are you feeling?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर एक्सट्रीम इस लम्हे का कई सालों से इंतज़ार था
कई सालों से आप
कई सालों से इंतज़ार था
ओहो
आज अगर किस्मत ने मुझे मौका दिया है तो मैं इस लम्हे का अपने आप को बादशाह ही समझता हूँ
बेशक
और जिसकी तारीफ भी करता हूँ दिल से करता हूँ और आपके लिए यही है कि नज़र क़यामत है कि अदा बलाएं जलवे का क्या कहना है दीवाना बना दिया
ओहो दीवाना बना दिया पिछले 7 सालों से आपने यू थॉट ऑफ इट राइट दिस वाज योर ड्रीम
मैं अभी बोलना चालू करूं तो दूसरे का नंबर ही नहीं आएगा
ही इज गेटिंग इमोशनल
शायद जॉन साहब आपका इंतजार ही करते रह जाएंगे
वाओ थैंक यू
Thank you.
दैट वाज सो स्वीट एकदम दिल से एंड आई एम श्योर दैट हजारों दीवाने and one of them. Okay, last but not the least, we have someone from Indore. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tarun. Hey Tarun. So, tell me, how do you feel?
I'm really thrilled. I never thought that I would be able to be so close to someone, a celebrity of your stature. And you're really gorgeous. You're much gorgeous than you appear in movies.
Thank you. Thank you for coming here and doing this because it's a nice thing for us also to reach out and meet people that who actually make us, you know.
Actually, it's a really lot of hard work which goes behind all this glamour. We all know that. And you are like someone who has perfected every... that is really great to be over here with...
That's so
close
sweet.
to you.
Have you prepared something, some shairi or you'd like to
Yeah,
share
actually-
furthermore?
It's like I laugh, I cry, I fear and I try. I hope, I also get hurt. And I think you do the same things too. So we have got so much in common. So can I spend an evening with you?
Oh!
Okay, we shall check the diary right now. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
great
you so
of you.
much. So now we have, you'd like to try again, Shashank?
Oh.
This is the only opportunity. Come on, you've dreamt of this. Today is the chance. जो भी है दिल से, you can share and then we'll decide the final winner.
हजारों पे नजर
अच्छा एक काम
पर
करिए.
दिल में है एक
अच्छा आप
जो है
आप दिल से बोलिए.
अब मैं श्योर बोल दूंगा
Go for it.
ओके हजारों पे नजर पर दिल में है एक जो है लाखों में एक वो हो आप बादशाह
Oh, lovely, lovely.
आप आवाज सामने आ गई तो कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया
एकदम फटाक से confidence आ गया.
Beshak. Thank you.
Thanks.
So that's now we'll decide the winner. It's
Well, it's very tough. I would like to make all of them a winner.
they are winners already, but then lucky boy can be only one. आपका दिल तो एक ही को जाएगा.
No, I like many lucky boys.
Oh!
One. No, lucky boys are like good. I thought all of them was like so sweet and there was a lot of style and some were like confident and some spoke it sweetly and there was a sweetness in Shashank also who was like hesitant but he was not saying. Like Tarun spoke really well. I really love what he said because I am a very simple person. I am a human. I laugh, cry, everything that you do. And that's really something that I really liked. I liked Swayam's Vishwam.
Vishwam.
Vishwam's style. I like his jumper. I like his style of looking for a rose and not getting it and still going on.
Still trying with artificial
Yeah.
ones.
And the gentleman from Varanasi.
Yes, his name. He is Nawaz.
Nawaz spoke really nicely and straight from the heart. So there's a lot of confusion for me at this point of time.
Okay.
So I really don't know. So
Still, if you have to decide, the best one. The one who spoke extremely dil se, it's touched your heart and you want to give your heart to that person.
Give my heart. It's
Huh?
too tough.
Well, we have a heart.
We can't give like 3 people.
In fact, there were thousands of entries. These are the top 5, and the winner is one, and only one. And now you have to decide the winner. Yes? And that heart. And the heart goes to the winner. Aapka dil, lucky boy. Yes, you have to decide just one.
Should I go by the words?
Words? Go by the feelings, go by the emotion, go by the love, go by the madness.
You choose then. I think you have chosen better than me. Just choose out of the 3 anyone.
I feel all of them deserve, but we should be fair, yeah. One dil. You are so beautiful. You're one and only, the most ravishing, the most sensational. Aapka ek hi dil. To winner bhi ek yaar.
I'm so confused. This is like more confusing than, deciding on going out for my first date with John.
Oh!
Very tough one.
I'm sure they've touched your heart completely. Aap to bas bol dalo.
Okay, come on. Vishwam. Come.
Vishwam! Congratulations! That's for his jumper, for his style.
Oh, very famous for the girls.
Oh, wonderful. That's the winner. Congratulations.